Captain Moroni, a message. It is from Helaman.
My dearly beloved brother, Moroni, I have somewhat to tell you concerning our warfare in this part of the land. Behold, 2,000 of the sons of those men whom Ammon brought down out of the land of Nephi. Now ye have known that these were descendants of Lamanites, who was the eldest son of our father Lehi. And ye also know concerning the covenant which their fathers made, that they would not take up their weapons of war against their brethren to shed blood. But when they saw our afflictions and our tribulations for them, they were about to break the covenant which they had made, and take up their weapons of war in our defense.
Should we take up arms in the defense of our country?
But I would not suffer them, that they should break this covenant which they had made.
Please, do not break your oath. I fear lest by so doing, you will lose your souls. God will strengthen us insomuch that we should not suffer more because of the fulfilling the oath which you have taken.
I have not made the covenant. I have not made the covenant, Father. I will defend us against our enemies.
We are Nephites. I will go as well.
I covenant that I'll protect the land unto the laying down of my life.
I covenant that I will never give up our liberty, but will fight to protect the Nephites and ourselves from bondage.
Will you lead us?
I will lead you.
Put your trust in God. If you do not doubt, God will deliver you.
I will go.
Father, we kneel before thee.
As they had never hitherto been a disadvantage to the Nephites, they became now at this period of time also a great support.
That we may before thee. Father, we ask these as they go out, fight.
2,000 of these young men have taken their weapons of war, and we have come forth to defend our country.